All right. Good morning, everybody. As you can see from the belt going off to the side, I have the generator hooked up, and we're going to try that out this morning. First, we'll get the ET1 running, and after that, we'll see if the generator is still shorting out after I checked the wiring, or if I need to take it back inside and just wire it from scratch to make sure I don't have any problems. But it was working and it developed that short, so I'm hoping that that means the issue isn't serious, but okay. We'll put a little water in that and warm it up. And let's see now. Yeah. Alright, we'll give that a minute or two and then see. Alright, I'm going to flip the switch for the generator. Alright, that did not put it under load. And I'm measuring 8 volts on generator 1. Now, my short was just touching some bare wires, and after proper insulation, the problem went away. Well, we're going to let that warm up, and I am going to set the other engines up and see if we can run all of these off of the generator box. So we'll be back in a minute.